Hello guys, my name is ATP and welcome to a new episode of the series How to Start Trading Stocks as a Beginner. For those new to my channel, I've been in the process of creating new trading strategies from scratch to show you the real step-by-step process behind them. At the moment, I have created a strategy for the crypto space and another one highly passive for the forex market, which can give you an average of 15% per year just by trading 10 minutes per day. All of the episodes from both series are on my YouTube channel, and in the case of the forex strategy, you can also check this video that has the real results from 2023 where I made a profit of $16,000, so don't miss out on this free content. In addition, you can also check the results channel from my free Discord community where I post all the trades I make. But this video is not about crypto or forex, it's about stocks. At the moment, my stock trading strategy looks like this. It is being created to be applied in the 30-minute time frame and has two indicators on its system so far. The purple cloud, the entry trigger indicator, so the one which gives us the buy and sell signals, and the parabolic SAR, the exit indicator, so the indicator that tells us when it is the best time to exit from a position. Regarding the parabolic SAR, you can find it by going to the indicators tab from TradingView and searching for it. You can use this one, which is free to use on TradingView. And then, regarding the purple cloud, the only one available to use at the moment is this one by Murat. But the one I use is not available at the moment here, but that is not an issue, because I have shared the code of it for those who would like to use it. You just have to join my Discord community, the link is in the description, head over to the free materials channel, and there you will find the code of this accurate purple cloud indicator. Open up this node, copy the code, and then on the TradingView charts, click on the Pine editor, then on Open, New Indicator, and then just paste the code and save it. After that, just click on the Add to Chart option, and you will have this indicator working and also with the right settings, which are 10, 3, 40, and 0.9. If you like this free indicator, don't forget to show me your support by subscribing and clicking on the like button. Regarding the settings of the parabolic SAR, you'll need to change the increment to 0.025 and the max value to 0.3. So at the moment, every time the purple cloud indicator gives a buy signal, we will enter in a long position at the closing of the signal candle, and the same goes for short positions. Then we will need to insert a stop loss 1.5 times the ATR pip value below or above the entry point, depending on the direction of the trades, and the take profit on the 1 to 0.8 risk to reward zone. But this is only the first take profit, where we'll always close 50% of the position and put the stop loss on the entry point, because after that we will apply a trailing stop loss system to our position that is also 1.5 times the ATR pip value behind the closing prices, and this will only be our safety net to protect us in the case of a sudden price drop, because we will always close the positions if the parabolic SAR gives a signal in the opposite direction of our trade. In a long position, we will close it if the parabolic SAR dots flip from the bottom to top of a candle, and the opposite is true for short positions. As we discovered in the last episode, this exit indicator with these settings is very accurate in closing earlier losing trades and also in closing profitable trades at the best possible time. And it was the best one after testing 30 different exit indicators. The purple cloud was also the best indicator after testing 50 different entry trigger indicators, using two large sets of data samples, an in-sample data with the years from 2017 to 2020 for the first backtests, and an out-of-sample data with the years from 2021 to 2022. To confirm the efficiency of the results. The 2023 data was saved for future forward tests, and all these tests were performed with an accurate and efficient trading bot that has all the indicators and rules coded on it. As you can see, this tool respects all the rules of this strategy, displays every trade on the chart with the respective stop loss, take profit, and even trailing stop loss system, and gives us the real and proven results of every stock we want to analyze in seconds. The asset sample being used to create this system is this one, but we can easily check other stocks and find out that the results are pretty good in all of them, which proves that this system is robust and profitable. But in order to improve it even more, today we will test and select the filter indicator for this trading strategy. A filter or secondary confirmation indicator is an indicator that provides information about a major trend present in the market, which should eliminate the largest number of false and losing signals given by the entry or confirmation indicator, while maintaining the profitable entry signals. It can be a zero cross, a two lines cross, or a chart indicator, but usually we should look for an indicator that works differently than our confirmation indicator, so that our final trading system is as efficient as possible. And so, to discover the best one for our strategy, we need to backtest a lot of different indicators, and that's what I'm going to do now with the help of my trading bot. I'm going to perform an in-sample backtest on several different indicators with this filter function and on the same 7 stocks used in the last episodes, and then I'm going to show you the results before moving forward to the out-of-sample test. So at the moment you are seeing clips of me testing several different indicators with the filter function. I am performing these backtests with the help of my trading bot and taking note of the indicator stats. And yes, for each indicator that I analyze, I have to make changes in my bot's code. It takes some time, but in this way, the backtest process becomes much faster. In 1 hour, I can probably make backtesting work that will take you some months or even more to perform manually. The idea is that after the end of this backtest of several indicators, I will be able to compare them and discover which ones were more efficient. So now I will let you see some more clips before showing you all the results. After analyzing 30 different indicators, here we have all the results. Above you can see the previous results only when using the purple cloud indicator and then after the addition of the parabolic SAR, and below you can see all the results of the 30 filter indicators analyzed. And to select the best 3 ones in the best possible way and without any bias, I calculated the return over max drawdown ratio and the average profit per trade. And after analyzing carefully each stat, I selected the bright filter and the polarized fractal efficiency indicators due to their win rates and return over max drawdown ratios, and then I also selected the Bollinger Bands Breakout Oscillator due to being the indicator that more increased the average profit per trade. So now, to find which one out of these 3 indicators is the most consistent, I'm going to apply them to the same 7 stocks but on my out-of-sample data. This will be a faster backtest. So here we have the results of the 2 samples of the 3 best tested filter indicators side by side. Overall, all the indicators achieved good results, but we only want one. Also, due to the fact that from the first 2 indicators to the third one, the number of trades changed a lot, I calculated again the average profit per trade to make a fair decision. Because it will be unfair if I, for example, compare just the net profit results, because here I got 995 trades and here 419 trades. As such, it was easy to verify that the most efficient filter indicator was the Bollinger Bands Breakout Oscillator, not only due to its greater average profit per trade, but also because it was the one with the lowest max drawdown values and also the one that achieved more stable results in each stock analyzed. And therefore, it was the filter indicator that best fulfilled its functions of improving the efficiency of the strategy. Of course, you can and should do your backtests to find out if this indicator can work well in your strategy as well or not. And to simplify that process for yourself, if you want, you can have full access to the trading bot that I created for this stock trading strategy. Now with the addition of the Bollinger Bands Breakout Oscillator filter indicator, in order to carry out a backtest in seconds with the most real and efficient results possible. The trading bot performs everything for you, and you can also use it to automate your trading on a live account. On its menu, you can customize everything you can imagine. For more information about it and to discover how you can have access to it, check out this video with a full guide about my trading bots. The link is in the description. With the help of my trading bot, I also downloaded all the trades from 2017 until 2022 to build this trading journal, where we can see that the full equity chart of this strategy is highly efficient, and so we know that we are on the right path to success. At the moment, this strategy applied to these 7 stocks gives an average of 56% profit per year, with a 50.9% win rate and an average risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.28. Also with good values of profit factor and Sharpe ratio. However, in the next episode we will address another topic that will turn this stock trading strategy even more efficient, and I will again perform several backtests with my samples and I will show you the whole process. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and above all that you learned something new. Be well, thank you, and bye bye.